Rebound between Pix and Julius. White team versus green team. Number 7. Number 7 the ball. Pass to number 25. Number 25. Through Mike. Yes. AC 2 points by number 25. RG. Pass to number 36. Number 36. Yes. 3 points. Number 36. Positive. Number 7. Pass to Kuya Rudy. Naghanap ng mamasahan. Pinasa sa number 28. Hero. Wrong pass to Julius. Same ball. White ball. 2 against 3. Lamang 3. 19 minutes here. 19 seconds in the first half. Number 38. 3. Wala. Rebound by number 36. Pass to our center. Number 8. Pass to Zion. Very good. It's number 8 to Mike. There's the foul. Number 8 foul. Straight to the line. Runs through by Pixmanala. Yes. All 3. 18 minutes and 55 seconds in the first half. Yes. 100%. Number 8. Ready to take it over. Very good. Very good. Rebound by number 8. Wrong pass to number 8. Bonus shot. There's the foul. Second foul number 8. On the throw by number 50. First is 100%. So far, number 50. Second, yes. 6-5. Number 8. Number 8. There's the foul. Number 50. Foul number 5. Foul number 50. Manala.
Oh, yung bukali ang magbayad.
Number 3. Good. Rebound by number 4. Julius through Mike. Christian, number 7. Pass to the number 7. Number 25. Juma. Good. Number 8. Number 8. Number 5. Pass to the good. Number 15. Juma. Good. Number 7. Number 7. Yes. 4 points by number 7. Remaining time, 11 seconds. Number 26 for 3. Yes. 3 points by number 26. And 4.
Magkikita pa sa Pilipinas yan? Sa ano yan? Sa...
Nakalagay ako sa YouTube.
Hindi, sa ano yan? Saan makikita yung site na yan? 7 sa 7 ba yan o sa...
Ano nangyari?
Ambulance. Naku po, tusok, ilog.
Committee's decision. Kulang na ang player ng team. Kulang na isa. Apatan na lang.
Oh, sapatos. Hindi, meron si Pal. Walang dalaw. Areo, sapatos. Nakalaro na yun eh. Hindi, nakabi. Walang may ano ka, may dala ka pang laro? Ayun naman, pwede na pang laro yan oh.
Anong kulay ba yung
Ayan, ikaw na. Dark.
Ayan. Konting pasensya lang mga kaibigan, nagbibihis pa.
Ay, Pilay din ang papalit eh.
Sino ba sa inyong dalawa?
Ang pinalitan Pilay, ang papalit.
Ako na.
Sibal lang.
Bal, laro na, Bal. Saan pa yun?
Hindi, okay na. Val, okay na.
Putang ina natin. Kanina pa pala nandun. Ba't di ba magsalita?
Ano kaya player din nila? Walang player nila.
Kulang sila.
Talaga? Saan yung player?
Ay, mga talaga, naka-reserva talaga. Hindi nyo naman naka-reserva talaga sa inyong dalawa. Bali nga 4 eh. Si Rico, si kayong dalawa, tsaka yung ano.
Wala akong
Sino pa yung isa?
Ram sapatos.
Ano ba talaga? Oo, talaga siya. Matagal yan. Kala nyo madali.
Naku. Lalo na mag-will kasi Kuya Silmo nito. Ang una, ikaw lang nakita ko, nakita na si Val. Natawag ko din si Val.
Hoy, meron kami sumali. Magkakampi kami ni Selmo. Mag-chest kami dun sa anniversary ng ano yata.
Nakakatakbo pa naman ano.
Oo dahil.
Laro nga kahapon.
Kailangan, Ate Melinda, kasi kailangan kasi nila ng malaki.
Oh, yung grade, kailangan nyo ba yung malaking player? Saan ka ba? May kalaban kayo? Wala.
7 minutes and 20 seconds in the first quarter.
Oras!
Guarded by number 5. Pass to number 44. Yes. 2 points by number 44. And score. 8.
Yata, may score.
There's a foul. Offensive foul, Lucky.
May score dong, Dong.
Number 34. And score. 10-8.
Hindi ka all 10?
Back to number 8. Number 8. Back to number 2. Yes. 3 points. 3 points. Ay, number 38. Among ang grade. 16 minutes and 46 seconds remaining time in the first quarter. We are rolling for 3. Very good. Rebound by Valdez. Long pass to Julius. Yes. 4 points by Julius. Aki during the ball. Kailangan pumasahan. Intercepted by Valdez. Valdez for 3 again. Very good. Rebound by number 4. There's a foul. Now here on number 38. Number 38 in the foul. Good on. Remaining time 16 minutes and 16 seconds. First throw. Yes. Number 44. First throw. 14-8. Lamang ang green. Sige yung last throw. Prepare for rebound. Yes. 15-8. Number 34. Driving ball. Pass to number 34. Pass to number 15. Number 15. Ball 3. You good? Rebound by number 5. You are ready. No. Yes. Number 38 for 2. Number 38 rebound and score. 8-15. Number 8 jump. You good? Rebound by number Aki. Pass to Fix. Manalo. Yes. Number 15 and score 12-15. Remaining time 15 minutes and 37 seconds. Number 8. Drop. Number 34. Looking for a container. Long 3. Good. Yes. Number 25, 2 points. And score 15-14. Naman ang isa ang green. Ball this for 3. Good. Number 24. Pass to number 25. Number 25. Rod. Asia. Chance play for 6-10-15. Naman ang today. Remaining time 14 minutes and 54 seconds. 15 seconds shot clock. Number 12. Number 12 pass to number 24. Jump.
Patay.
Very good. Rebound by number 3. Yeah! And 2 points by number 3. Errol. Errol throwing the ball. Looking for his companion. Pass to Errol by number 5. Back to number 38. 5 seconds shot clock. Rebound back. Good. We are rolling. Number 50. Pass to number 25. Yeah. 82 points by number 25 to a score. 8-17. Number 8. Pass to good. Pass to number 12. No good. Rebound by Yankee number 34. Number 50. Paige Manalo. And then we'll guard by number 4. Hondis. Pass to number 34. 14 seconds shot clock. Number 50 now, 3. Good. Number 3.
Oy, Sama.
Good. They're good. Rebound by number 25. Number 25, 2-5. Napakalabas. Score, 20-17.
Tatlo.
Remaining time, 13 minutes and 23 seconds. 14 seconds shot clock. Number 8, drive. Pass to nobody. Substitution, rep. Substitution. Number 5 out, number 2 in. 20-17. 30 minutes and 8 seconds. Remaining time in the first half. Good on. Good on, throwing the ball. Pass to number 34, Love 3. Nice. Very good. Number 36, Valdez.
Okay, good, John.
Valdez, Love 3. Very good. Rebound by number 4. 4. All shot by number 44. There's no foul. Same ball. No, green ball. Number 8. Number 3. For 3. Very good. Rebound by number 25. Number 25. Throw the ball. Throw wide. Again. Amamia. That's a power move by number 25. Valdez. First foul. Foul Dilo. Dilo foul number 2. Number 2, Carlos Hall.
On this, guarded by number 38, pass to 12. Back to number 8. And guarded by Herald.
Brian.
Number 34, yes.
Brian.
82.5 on this. Long 3 by Aki. Number 36.
Kumanti. Yes. Long 3 by Valdez. Valdez. 3.
Number 38. Tino Hall. Number 25 again. Number 28. Yes.
3 points, number 38. Let's go! 25-22. Remaining time, 11 minutes and 13 seconds in the first half. 15 seconds shot clock. Number 8. Pass to number 3 for 3. Good, the ball by number 34. Number 24, good ball.
Long pass to Pumili. Pasok sa ilalim. Pumili. That's what it is.
Ball is guarded by Hero. Pass to number 8. Naghanap ng mga papasahan. Pinasa sa ilalim. Yes, it's 2 points by number 3. A score, 24-25. 10 minutes and 35 seconds. Remaining time in the first half.
Number 50. Pasok doon. Napakalakas. Wala sa kanyang balik. Foul number 3. Powerful move by number 25. Galvez, number 25.
Ito.
Alright. Very good.
Chop.
Substitution. Number 38 out, number 17.
Last throw. Prepare for.
Hoy, may pamalit kayo ha. Green ha.
Yes. Number 8 ball.
On this. Foul number 7. Number 7 foul. Foul number 7. Number 8. Guarded by Dino. Naghanap yung papasahan. Bilang sa number 12. Jump. They're good. Rebound by Aki. Lamang sa rebound yan. Jump pass to number 7. Number 7. Rod. Ang malakas. Number 50. Wala pa rin. Kanya sa rebound. Jump pass to number 8. Number 8 guarded by number 7. Pass to number 44. Jump. Yeah. Easy the point by number 44. Julio. Number 34.
By the number 8, pass to number 50. Pass to number 24. Number 3.
Wow! Ang yabang! Pamalis ka agad ha? 3 points by Aki. Number 8. Pass to number 3. On 3. Bumawi. Wala. Rebound sa kanya pa rin. Ang lakas talaga. Number 56. It's a strong drive by number 50. Number 12. Pass to number 44. Pass to Valdez. 15 seconds shot clock. Number 8. Number 44 shot. Easy to point. Napakasimple ng basketball para kay Julius. Ang mamina. Number 15. Ang lakas. Green ball. Last shot number 25. Last shot number 25. Number 8. 39 seconds. 8 minutes and 35 seconds. And the second corner. 15 seconds shot clock. Fouled in for 3. No good. Rebound by number 44. Mamma mia! There's the ball. Then it counted. Napakasimpleng basketball ang nilaro ni number 44. Idol na kita. Who's foul, Red? Number 25. Ang green ha, ang green. screen. May pamalit kayo dito, ha? Pamalit, count it out. Bonus. Yes, count it. The score, 31-all. Third deadlock of the game. 8 minutes and 14 seconds. In the first half. All set. Ang ganda ng position, pero wala. Pass to number 12. Back to number 3. Jump. Yeah. Easy the points by number 3. Number 7. Starting with number 36. Number 7. Green ball. Last set, number 7. 3. Pass to number 3. Paa. Green ball. Up. Same ball. And bound pass by Julius to number 3. Guarded by number 7. Pass to number 8. Number 8. Rumay. Nagkakasan. Sumam. Tumira. Wala. Pass to number 7. Right. Oh, ganda ng pasa. Number 3. No points. Score. 35. All 33. No, all 33. Sorry. 6 minutes and 54 seconds. Intercepted by Valdez, number 36 for 3. So good. Number 60. Paso Valdez Campos. Number 36. There's no foul. Rebound by number 50. ACB up by number 34. Number 3. Pass to number 8. Guarded by number 7. Naganap ng pasan. Meron si number 3. Number 3 to 5. It's the traveling violation. Traveling violation by number 3. 5 minutes and 15 seconds remaining time in the first half. The score, 37-33. Lamang ng apat. Don't be high. Green ball. Number 8. Number 8. Maganda number 7. Naghanap ng musan. Pinasa kay Valdez. Dromay. Up. Yes. This is the point by number 34. Valdez. Number 50, Manalo. Manalo with the ball guarded by number 12. Pass to number 34. Wala pa rin. Number 8. Number 8. Wala. Number 4. Wala pa rin. There's the foul. Number 35. Wala. Rebound by Valdez. Valdez, napakalayo. Wala. Rebound by number 3. Number 3. Number 25, Galvez. Galvez, second personal foul. Score, 37-35, lamang ang puti. 4 minutes and 47 seconds remaining time in the first half. Number 4 rebounds. Pass to number 25, pass to number 24. Ang ganda ng pasa! Wala. Sayang. Napakaganda ng pasa. Hindi lang ang salo. Ay, country. Number 50, Manalo. 3 points by Happy. Hindi pa rin kumalik na. High ball. High ball. 1 second. Remaining time. Number 8. Pastor Valdez for 3. Still good. Rebound by number 8. Wow, it's a turnaround shot. Kubigu by number 8. Number 24. Crystal. Long 3. Good. First foul, right? By Galvez. Third personal foul, Galvez. Number 25. Penalty situation. Penalty. Third personal foul, Galvez. Green team is in penalty situation. First. Good. 37 all. Fourth deadlock of the game. Good. Rebound break. Pass to Valdez. Valdez guarded by number 7. For 3. Very good. Rebound by 25. Galvez. What a move! Wow. Warning number 25 for delay in the game. Number 25. Number 8. Number 8 guarded by number 50 Manao. Nagana ng saan, pinasasagay Galvez. What a simple move by Julius. Yun, ang sinasabi ko eh. Easy peasy. Napaka-simple basketball. Para sa number 44. Wow! Napakalayo. Anna! Tama yun. Number 25. Technical for the game. Pangalawa na. Technical foul, Galvez.
Sama sa foul.
Yes. 40-41. Dominance on 26 seconds. Remaining time starting first half. Number 8. Pastor Valdez. Valdez, John. Rebound by number 3. Ang lakas. Umatras, pinasa kay Julius. Kumiki. Intercepted by number 7. Number 34, dribbling the ball. Number 34, Casey. 43-40. Lamang ng tatlo ang puti. Number 3 guarded by number 8. Pinasa kay Julius. There's the foul. Foul Aki. Number 34. 1 minute and 51 seconds at the first half. 43-40. Yes. Pasok ang unang attempt ng number 44, Julius. Sige, the last round.
Sinisig ako.
Yes.
Isaw po.
Ben. Number 15. Pass ball number 34, Crystal. Romay. 45-42, Lamang Sige. 1 minute and 29 seconds. Starting for top. 3 points for Lamang Sige. 14 seconds to get 45 points. Ang ganda ng mga pangapasa, pero intercepted by Valdez. Wow! What a pass! Number 44, Jeff Labor, 45. Number 50, Lomar, Lumira, wala. Nabaman ng number 4. 56 seconds left. Number 8. Pass to Julius. Pass to number 12. 45 seconds. Crystal from high. 36 seconds remaining time. Number 36, guarded by number 7. Pass to number 12. Rebound by Crystal.
Number 2. Oh, easy. Lang. White ball. 15 seconds, 49 more. Crystal, 40. Number 6.
10 seconds remaining time. Number 14. Austin Julius. Yes. 3 seconds. 3 seconds. Whoop.
Second half.
And the first half. 49-51. Lamang. 3.
Lamang Sinarji. Lamang Sinarji.
Lamang ang Team Archie.
Lamang ang 51. Ang gawin! Palit ka doon.
Oo, dahil nag-request din.
Nag-referee na ako kanina. Magbalik pa ako. Maglalaro pa ako.
Okay, yung sunod na laro, magandaan na kayo.
Back to the one game. Change board.
Green ball. 51-49. Lamang ang 51. Saglit. 2 minutes. Okay. Game.
Number 8. Number 8 will be provided by Hero. Pass to number 3. Very good.
Manalo matalo. Nagdadala ng bola. Guarded by number 8. Pass to number 34. Ayun na! Simula na yan. Magkano na kayo? Magkapag na kayo. Magkukulikta na si Aki.
Number 8.
Pinasa sa gitna. Kay Julius. Naman. Wala. Wow.
Where's the foul? Manalo number 50. Wow. Number 12. 52 more.
Magbihis na kayo. Kamasunod ha.
Lakas sa rebound.
Si Crystal. Abangabangan nyo na at tumukulik na lang. Ay.
Number 3. Pass to number 24. Is it over by Julius? Nice. Rebound by number 24. Pass to number 8. Number 8 goes to the ball guarded by number 7. Pass to number 6 for 3.
57-52. Tinampakan na naman. Dino. Rebound by number 38, Hero. Pass to number 2. Rebound by number 36.
Number 26, pass to Julius. Wow. Good.
Number 50. Pass to number 2. Ayan na. Wala pa.
Number 3. Wow, that's it. Contact rebound but counter.
59-52. 17 minutes and 40 seconds sa ating second half. It's Manalo. Yes. And 2 points by Manalo. Number 8, available. Guarded by Hero. Nagana ng Butangas, number 3. Tumira sa 6, wala. Rebound by number 2. Cristal. Manalo. Intercepted by number 3. Number 3, Paso Julius. Wala. Number 50. Yes. Into the waist by number 50. Turnaround shot by number 50. 56-59. 36, Valdez. Guarded by number 7. Paso number 8. Number 8, naganap ng mga pamataan. Number 8, Romay, pumatak. Number 3.
Easy to go. Number 3.
61-56. Offensive foul by number 50. She says 61. Remaining time, 16 minutes and 31 seconds.
Valdez, 4-3. Good. Rebound by Cristal.
There's a foul. Foul number 12.
Wala pa.
Number 12 foul. 16 minutes and 19 seconds. Morales, number 7. Panturino. Yes. Nothing but high.
That's number 12. Julius. Foul. Cristal. Number 34. Foul. Third is foul. 13 fouls. 44. First. Very good.
Yes, Julius. Number 34. Pasto Hero. Hero, naghanap mo sa pinasakayan. Oh! Back. Takes it to 59. 58 and 33 seconds. Yes. Nice catch by number 3. Easy basket. 64-59. Number 50 driven ball. Long 3. Good. Great ball. Number 8. Number 3, guarded by number 7, number 3, tumira ng 3, wala, rebound by Cristal, number 24. Pass to Pitch Manalo, number 50, yeah.
Upload sa.
Number 3. Pass to number 36. Pass to number 8, number 4.
Sabak ko kay Morales sa
Ano lang kaya? Number 34. Yes. 14 minutes and 17 seconds. Remaining time sa ating second half. 64-63. Number 8. Number 8. Naghanap mo siya. Pinatangay Valdez. Valdez, Roman, Sumira. Yes. This is the points by Valdez. Number 15 will go. Started by number 8. Long pass to number 34. Aki. Wala. Next by number 7. Oh, yes. 65-63.
Balik namin!
Valdez, 43. Now by Manalo. Long pass to number 34. Cristal. Yes, it's the one. Okay na ako. 67-66. Tamang ang puti. Remaining time. 30 minutes and 19 seconds. Number 8. Guarded by number 7. Pass to number 3. Yes. Nothing but the need. 3 points by number 3. 69-67. Long minutes and 76. Rebound by number 3. Pass to number 8. Number 8 controls the ball. Guarded by Gerald, number 38. Omigot, Kumasa. And long 2. 2 points. 2 points and 2 points.
Stepping.
Number 15. Oh! Basket! There's a foul in the basket. Ang lakas. Big man out. Dilo out. Number 12.
7 out.
Rollins out, number 7. And 25 in Galvez. Ang lakas! Strong 2. Strong to by reinforcement here.
Alisin nyo kasi si Makoy dyan! Alisin nyo!
Hoy, magpaharahan dyan. Wow! Pumigit, pumigit. Hindi ito mas kahit gusto. Tapos na naman. Mag-iis na ang susunod ng laro. Mag-iis na kayo. Number 8. Pass to number 6. 3 points. Good. Rebound by number 25. Pass to number 15. Number 34. Guarded by number 12. Wow! Wala. Rebound by number 25. Basket by number 25, Galvez. No, Galvez. Valdez, foul. First foul, Valdez, number 36. 73-61 ang score, mga kaibigan. Lamang ang pulis.
Lamang 73.
Rebound by Valdez. Pass to number 8. Remaining time, 11 minutes and 34 seconds at the clock. Number 8 Hey! It's a race. Number 3. 74-73. Ang ganda ng pasa. Diba? Yes. Sino na dyan? Number 8. Number 36. Wala, diba number 3? Guarded by number 8. Ayan na naman! Napakaganda! Highlights group is sponsored by Likupita. Number 50, Manalo. Number 8. Number 3. Tapos, kinapos na number 3. Herald. Guarded by number 8. Herald. Intercepted by number 26. Last chance, Herald. 77-74 lamang ang puti. 8 minutes and 39 starting second half. Last quarter. 36. Long jump. Good. Naagaw ng number 8. Number 8. Juma. Wala. Mama number 25. Ang lakas talaga Gambit. Wala. Sa kanila pa rin. Hiram. Meruli. Pinasa kay Jewel. Wala. Next Manalo. Manalo. Binato. Incredible shot. 5-6 Manalo. Binato na lang. Pumasok pa. Score! 79-74. Lamang ang puti. 9 minutes and 4:50 seconds after taking him. Number 12. Yes. 2 points by number 12. Number 57 ball guarded by Nasaan shot? 25. Lakas talaga. 81-76. Lamang ang puti. Number 8. 9 minutes and 17 seconds. Second half. Naga ni Hiram. Nag-isa. Lumusot. Wow! Strong move. That strong move is brought to you by Lugula. Maasahan. Brian. Guarded by Kuya Ruli. Jump. Yes.
Pasang awa.
Nandiyan na naman, umatake na naman si Manalo. Ang lakas talaga. Thanks Manalo. Valdez. Nag-easy. That's an easy basket. Number 44. Score! 80-85. Lamang ang pulis. Remaining time. 8 minutes and 17 seconds. Tristan for 3. Umuling na na. Second 3-pointers by Tristan. Ang ganda.
Wala. Manalo.
Pass to number 34. Tingnan natin. Yeah! Third 3-pointers by Tristan. Abangan nyo na yan. Score 91-8. Silangan na. Silangan.
Number 8. Nandiyan ang bangsa. Number 3.
Number 3. There's a foul. Foul Kuya Ruli. Number 5. Yes, Kuya Ruli. Huwag ka na naman. Foul. Landing spot. Time out, Mike.
Time out 3. Time out 3.
Time out 3. Pagod na, pagod. Ngayon mo lang bakit.
Time out 3.
Hingayin mo na, hingayin mo na. Lamang ng 10. 81-91. Remaining time.
7 minutes and 35 seconds. Sa ating second half.
This time out is brought to you by
Biotisa.
Ang sumagi ng ulo nyo, yung tugtog sa pader.
Tanggalan. Back to the ball game. Back to the ball game. Lumalalim na ang gabi. Magpipihis na kayo, mga sunod na maglalaro.
Ang sunod na maglalaro. Basta, alam nyo na yan. Magpihis na kayo. Ikaw, huwag muna. Dito rin yan. Tapusin na yan. Marami na yung player.
Seven minutes and 23 seconds. Remaining time. Malayo pa yan. Matagal pa ang oras.
Yes.
Count it. Sleeping on the line.
Number 50, Manalo.
Manalo controls the ball. Shot clock. 10 10 seconds shot clock. Rebound by number 3. Pass to number 8.
Valdez for 3. Good.
Rebound by Manalo. Ayan na naman siya mga kaibigan. Edge using the clock now. 16 seconds shot clock. Pumataki na naman, wala pa rin. Number 8. Number 8. Aatake rin. Wala, rebound by Valdez.
It's 2 points by Valdez.
Umabol na, umabol. Malayo pa yan, mga kaibigan. Wow! Ganda ng basa.
Green ball.
Valdez.
Controls the ball. Looking for Supinic card number 5. Valdez for 3. Good. White ball.
8K. Nagbigis na kayo. Crystal. Mainit na ang kamay nito. Bantayan nyo na yan. Number 25. Wow.
82 points by number 25.
Number 8. Tumayo na naman sila.
Number 8 controls the ball.
Guarded by number 5. Number 8 Lumay. Wala.
Rebound na lang. Number 8. Number 8. Short. A good move.
Crystal. Acting on the ball. Pastor Heroli. For 3. We are only 3 points.
Number 12.
Pastor Nobody. Remaining time, 4 minutes and 36 seconds. 84-96. Tumayo na naman sila. Pagpinis ng sunod ng maglalaro. Manalo. Number 15. Ayan na naman, ang atake.
Wow.
Ang lakas talaga. What move? Number 3, easy the point. Easy basket. Crystal. Wow, layo. Sa kanya pa rin. Wala. Number 8. Pass to number 34. 3 points from this.
Valdez 3 points.
Sige. Remaining time, 3 minutes and 36 seconds. 92-98. Yan ulit. Rebound by Crystal. Yes. Set to Tentane.
100. Lucky foul number 50. Number 5. 15 fouls. Valdez. So good. Rebound by Crystal. Pass number 25.
Number 25. Nag-iisip. For 3. Kuya Rolly. Great ball. Valdez to pass to 44. Natutulog sa Timisa. 2 minutes and 37 seconds remaining time. Galvez, started by number 4. Number 34, Crystal, control the ball. Yes.
Thank you so much, Valdez.
3 points. Number 50. Ayan na naman, umatake na naman siya. Wala. Rebound by number 5. Easy by number 5. Last minute. Number 34. Guarded by number 8. Pass to number 50. Number 50 controls the ball. 10 seconds shot clock. Number 25. Yes. 1 minute and 36. There's a foul. Foul number 50.
Penalty situation.
Remaining time 1 minute and 33 seconds. 97-106 ang ating score, mga kaibigan.
First, good.
Sige and last. Rebounders, wala? Crystal. Get off. Yes. 82 points by Yellow. Number 36, 3 points. Wala. Rebound by number 25. Number 25 controls the ball. Nag-iisip. Pinasakay ko yan ulit. Basta number 50. Manalo. 1 minute and 5 seconds. Remaining time. Crystal. 6 seconds shot clock. 6 seconds. 55 seconds remaining time.
Pass to number 3. Very good. Rebound by number 34.
Number 34 controls the ball. Nagpapatay ng oras. Surrender na, surrender na. Surrender na.
May time pa.
Okay. The white team wins. Team Aki. 1-0.
Next game. Bisayo.